Hey guys, today we've got an HTC Desire 620 to unbox, so let's get down to it. Firstly, here we can see it's the 620 in matte gray / light gray trim. Whatever that means, we'll find it out when we open the box. And behind we can see the quick specs. So it's the Qualcomm Snapdragon 410 processor, clocked at 1.2 GHz. That's a quad-core CPU, so 4 cores. 8 gigs of internal memory and 1 GB of RAM. And besides that, we can see it's got an 8 megapixel back camera, rear camera, and a 5 megapixel front camera, both capable of full HD video recording. So let's slide this paper cover off. So we've got the box with slight HTC, I don't believe you can see it right in this video. Yeah, here it is writing, and here is the Desire 620 itself. Let's just put it aside for a moment and let's see what else comes in the box. So we've got a warranty card, quick instructions, and a safety manual. But more important bits are these. So this is a, okay, let's open it up. This is a charger. So it says 1 amp output. We've also got the USB to micro USB cable. We've got the earphones. Let's open the plastic bag. Boy, has got to be strong to do this. So quite nice, but nothing special. Flat cables, that's nice. And of course, what we are still missing is the battery. Okay, 2100 milliamp hour battery. So now the box is empty. Let's get to it. This is the phone itself. It's got a quite, I would say, soft plastic rear cover. The buttons are nicely clickable. Nothing on this side. 3.5 millimeter headphone socket at the top. Micro USB port and the mic on the bottom. Nothing special. I would just like to peel this off. It's so satisfying. Let me just quickly open the back cover. It's not the easiest thing to get started, especially if you haven't got long fingernails, but once you get in there, it pops off nicely. So here we can see the SIM tray and the, if I could just focus it for you, SIM tray and the micro SD tray. It supports up to 128 gigabytes of storage. The battery comes in quite tightly. It's a snug fit. So let's put these, come off also with the back cover. That's interesting. So once it snaps into place, let's start it up for the first time. some dust. Now with the battery in, it doesn't weigh. It's surprisingly heavy. Not that's a negative thing, but it's a solid piece of equipment, and it feels quite firm, rigid, and solid. Okay, this first boot is lasting quite a long time. And we've got a welcome screen. Okay, let's go with English. Okay, let me just connect to my wireless network. Okay, now it's connected. Next. Mobile data, not for now. Cancel. Yeah, I'll do that later. No, not now. Next. Remind me later. Skip. Skip. Later. Okay. Yeah. We'll make it better. Okay, we've got some tips and tricks from the phone. I have to admit I'm not accustomed to the HTC Sense UI, so I'm quite looking forward to having this device on test for a couple of days or weeks to see how I manage to get along with it. How do I get the on-screen keys to appear? If I want to go back, do I slide? Seems I have to slide from underneath. So let's check some settings. Okay, more tips. Settings. About software. No updates available. So it must be up to date. Software information. Yeah, it's the 4.4.4 Android version and the 6.0 HTC Sense version. Okay. So that's it for the unboxing and first boot. I'll have more videos on the HTC Desire 620 soon. So see you then. Bye.